How to fix Steam CAPTCHA appears to be invalid error. If you're seeing that pesky error message, switch to a different browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari and see if that helps. Sometimes, the problem can be with your Wi-Fi or data connection. If you can, switch to a different Wi-Fi network or try using your mobile data. If both of these don't work, open your browser. Click on those three little dots at the top right corner of your browser window. It'll open up a menu. In that menu, you'll see an option called Settings. Give that a click. Look for a section called Privacy and Security in the settings. It's usually near the top or bottom. There should be an option to clear browsing data in that section. Click on it. When a little window pops up, make sure to select All Time from the drop-down menu. Click the button to clear your data. It might take a moment. Go to your Steam profile and make sure the language matches where you're located. If you're using any fancy privacy tools like a VPN or proxy server, try turning them off temporarily. Head to your computer's storage settings. Look for a section about temporary files. Delete any files that you don't need, especially temporary ones. But be careful not to delete anything important. Before you hit delete, take a quick look to make sure you're not deleting anything you might regret later. Go to your computer's settings and look for Windows Update. If there's an update available, go ahead and install it. After updating, it's usually a good idea to restart your computer to make sure everything's working smoothly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Steam CAPTCHA appears to be invalid error and get back to enjoying your favorite games hassle-free. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!